everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can transfer money from Venmo to PayPal. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is you're simply gonna go ahead, first of all, access your Venmo app. So now you can see right here we are in Venmo. So even if you go to this payment section, you do not have a direct way for you to access PayPal as of the option for you to transfer money to. And same goes for your PayPal as well. You can access your PayPal by the website, or you can access the app as well. But if you go again to the payment section, you do not have a particular option where you can go ahead and choose Venmo as one of the method for you to transfer money and receive money from. So for that, the only option that I can suggest you guys is to simply link another bank for you. So for example, you're gonna go to this option of sending money to from a pay request from Venmo itself, and then you will access this option right here in this section. You're gonna choose this option of transfer to bank. Go ahead, tap on it. Once you have done so, you're gonna select a bank from the list. Once you have selected a particular bank with your account's information, you're gonna add it there. Once you have done, you're going to transfer your money to that particular bank, and then afterwards you're going to access your particular PayPal on your website on an app, and in the wallet section you're going to tap on this link, credit card or a bank account. You're going to tap on this link, a bank account option. Now go ahead, choose the same bank that you added your money from a Venmo to the bank, and now you have tapped on it, and now you will be able to share your money from a Venmo to PayPal or transfer just like that. So that is the only way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.